Welcome to the Toddler Rooms Makeover, where we have two identical spaces for very different personalities.
First up, we have Blake's bedroom, who's 4, and she dreams of a pink paradise with her own craft zone and plenty of space for her dolls.
And then there is Brooke's room. She is 3 and she is wild about animals, colour and adventure and wants all of that in her room.
When it comes to designing for toddlers, the bigger the imagination, the bigger the result. So we're heading off to Resene Colour Shop to help bring their design dreams to life.
Jill, thank you so much for helping me.
No problem.
The brief is flowers, pink, and maybe a little bit of shimmer.
My instant reaction would be Resene bedrock.
Awesome. And then for the bed, I was thinking of just a deeper colour, pulling out these tones.
I'd go to Resene Galaxy.
Oh.
What you'll need is the Resene pre-coated steel primer, Resene Shore Seal, Resene Lumbercider for the flooring, your first coat, Resene FX Metallic, Resene Concrete Wax.
After we demoed the rooms, it was all about getting them ready for their makeover.
We prepped the walls by sanding, filling the holes and gaps, and cleaning every surface.
Then we primed with Resene Waterborne Shore Seal pigmented sealer.
So every surface is ready to be painted or wallpapered. We also added some custom touches, like the barn doors, a craft table,
and open shelving beside the wardrobes. We primed all the new timber with a Resene Quick Dry Primer. Blake's room is a pink dream come true.
We painted her ceiling in light shade in Resene ceiling paint, both in the colour Resene Dust Storm. Then we went for another shade of pink with her wardrobe and open shelves in Resene Soul Searcher with Resene Luster Krill.
The floor is painted in Resene Bedrock in the Resene FX Metallics range and then sealed with Resene Concrete Wax.
I painted her metal bed with the very fun Resene FX Metallics range in Resene Galaxy. And then we went for Resene Cashmere for her craft table in Resene Luster Krill.
Her desk, stool and doll furniture toys are in Resene Lola and Resene Luster Krill. And her walls are finished with a soft botanical wallpaper from the Resene Botanica range.
Right next door we have Brooke's room, which is about as wild as she is.
We started with Resene ceiling paint in Resene Breathless, which reflects the sky.
The wardrobe and shelves are painted in Resene Half Titania, and her custom wardrobe doors add a playful touch with Resene Secrets and Resene Mellow Yellow, all in Resene Luster Krill.
For the floor, we use Resene Earthstone and Resene Walk-On paint, creating the perfect base for her African-themed wallpaper. African Queen Tree and a stunning mural in Club Botanique.
And then we doubled down on the bold and went for Resene Roxy for her bed and doll furniture.
These rooms couldn't be more different, but they're perfect for our girls.
They aren't just bedrooms, they are places for adventure, creativity and dreams.
And with the help of Resene, they're all wrapped up in colour and personality.